Can't fit your favorite mug under the brew head? Wondering if you can adjust cup size or make larger drinks? Here's what you can and can't do with the Ninja Luxe Premier's cups and brew sizes. Step 1. Check cup clearance with the drip tray removed. Removing the drip tray gives you extra vertical space for taller mugs or travel cups. Just be ready for a little splash if your cup's too short, especially on espresso shots. Step 2. Use espresso and lungo modes strategically. The machine isn't designed for full mugs in one go. Use espresso or lungo modes and double pour into a larger cup if needed. Want a full-size coffee? Use the hot water feature to top it off, Americano style. Step 3. Try smaller cups for milk-based drinks. For lattes and cappuccinos, brew into a demitasse or small glass, then pour into a larger mug. This keeps milk ratios and foam texture consistent while avoiding overflow. Step 4. Don't manually bypass brew volume. You can't force a full cup from one shot. It'll weaken the brew and overwork the system. Stick to single or double shots and build up if you need more volume. Step 5. Brew directly into your milk frothing jug. Some users skip the cup entirely and brew right into their frothing pitcher. Just make sure it fits and doesn't splash. Looking for more flexibility? You might need to brew in stages. Or switch to a machine designed for full-size drip coffee. But this setup works great if you build drinks smart. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.